I'm always lazy and use beef stock out the carton, but I wanted to make beef bone broth with all these yummy vegetables, so got beef bones from the Asian market. For maximum flavor, roast your bones first. Put them in a 425-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Turn halfway. I roasted everything in the crock pot for 24 hours. This is what it looks like. Oh my God, smelled amazing. Stressed all my animals out. Once it's done, you're going to strain it so you get the bone chunks and all that random shit out. I kept some of the vegetables because vegetables. Then I sauteed some onions and ginger. Okay, now you got to make the broth for the pho. I listed the ingredients on the screen: sugar, fish sauce, sodium, some herbs. Also added the browned onions and ginger to this. I'm going to let this cook for 8 to 10 hours. Also realized I added mushrooms at the wrong time. You're supposed to add it at like the very end, but oh well. This is a flank steak chopped up. And this is what my broth looks like after cooking for I think 10 hours. Oh my goodness, and you pour it over the steak. Also, I used a pack of ramen noodles. You can use rice noodles, whatever is easiest. You ladle this broth over the steak, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it will cook it. These are the toppings I used. I didn't want to soft boil an egg, but you can do that. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Shit's bomb.